Ano ba, ano katama ka sa buhag?
Tony, you don't want to read too much into a preseason opener. But some of the critics have pointed to the Heat's lack of three-point prowess. On paper, that has been a little bit evident tonight. Eric Spoelstra says he's not concerned about that he feels he has enough shooting to give him the spacing that his offense needs.
Well, it's a legitimate thing to say. I mean, look at tonight.
Ang pagkakaiba sa pulik.
Sabi nila, maingay daw ako. Pero gaya ng turo ng tatay ko, mananay kang mali kapag ang tama ay nanahimik. Kapag may mali at may inaapi, labanan. At pag tama, ipaglaban.
Ang balita, isang babae ang bigla na lang nalahunod kay Madam Claudia Buenavista. Totoo po mga kababayan ang inyong nasasaksihan. Ang kampanya ni Governor Buenavista ay nauwi sa rambulan.
Leonora, dapat nilabas natin yung mga yan.
Huwag kang mainit, Bryce. Nakausap na natin yung babae. Pagod na pagod kami. Relax. Just watch.
What's next?